Hi, my name is JT Kent. I'm one of the developers here at Cubicle Fugitive. This video we're going to be talking about pages, specifically revision history for pages. This is a great feature within the Sitefinity CMS that allows you to revert back to older versions of pages that you may have published. So let's get started. First we click on the Pages tab to pull up a listing of the pages. From the Action menu, we click the Revision History. This shows us all versions of the page that are currently available. You may also access the revision history by clicking the page into edit mode, and at the top corner there's a revision history link. Each time a page is edited and we status the page, whether it be to draft or publish, a copy of the page is saved, and we can access the revision history. So let's take a look at this duplicated test page. That is what it looks like at the moment. If we go into Actions Revision History, we'll see now there are 3 versions of the page. We'll click on the second version, and we'll say revert to this version by clicking the button in the top left hand corner. This will bring the page back as it was prior to our changes. We hit publish and we will refresh the page, and now we will revert it back to the page the way it was in a previous version. So now the 2-column. Checking the revision history again, we will notice that there has now been another version saved. We have the ability to add notes, so we'll make this one 1 column. Hit save. And so that is how we revert back to a previous version of a page.